This is Dana. Dana.
You're joking, right? We are a modeling show, not a freaking agency. I asked from the street. Randos, not for a bunch of randos.
I know.
No. Important clients, and I cannot present these models to them. I mean, look at this one. Look. Her hair is like a rat's nest.
But, sir.
And this one, you might as well have hired an elephant. And I am finished.